I want you to show you the difference between the cutlery because some of the cutlery almost look the same, all right? So I'm gonna start with the forks, okay? So the one that has got a dip at the center is the fish fork. So it's very easy to identify fish fork. And then these two, when you put them together, just like our glasses, there is a smaller and shorter one, and there is a taller and bigger one. So the smaller and shorter is the dessert fork, whereas the bigger and taller is actually our joint fork or main fork. And then moving on to the knives, 3 knives, as you can see. But the fish one is very different, so it's easy to identify that one. So these two, just like our forks, you've got a smaller and shorter, taller and bigger. So the smaller and shorter one is the butter knife, whereas the bigger and taller one is the joint knife. Spoons, again, are very easy. 2 spoons. So there is the rounded spoon, an oval shaped spoon. So the rounded one is the soup spoon. It's very different. It doesn't look like anything that you might be using at home. And then the oval one is just our normal spoon, which is basically the dessert spoon. So our groups then stays like this. But before I let you go, I want to introduce another cutlery. Right. So this is butter knife. The only difference is basically the design, the shape. So it is shaped differently from the other one. Same as this one. This is the joint fork. The only difference is the design. Same as this one. This is still the fish knife, but only the difference is the design. So I don't want you to be confused. The principle stays the same. It's only the design that differs.